All right, Melina, what we got today?
Today we have a smart biometrics lock. This is Melina from MediaBoxEnt Blockchain Lab. Today we have a smart biometrics lock. It's good for indoors use and also for outdoors use. You can use it in your lockers, suitcases, school and gym bags too.
All right, so let's look what we get. So we get the USB cable. You will charge it, let's say, with your computer or your phone charger. So that's what it looks. Weight, that's a normal weight of any lock. It's locked right now. From here is where you're going to be charging, because it's waterproof, so it comes with that little plastic there. From there, and then we're going to plug it in, use micro USB. That's it, right there, a blue light. And one is charged, about an hour should be already charged. Then, how long it will last? It lasts 30 days, because it's what they call a low power USB. And to turn it on, actually you have to press it for a second. We'll show you that. Now, after like 10 seconds, it goes in a sleep mode. So to open, because it's biometric, you just press once and open. You see how simple? You can feel. Go again. It becomes a purple light, and open again. You can try that 100 times. That's lock and unlock. Now let's try another finger. Okay, it just blink and nothing happened. And open. Now, what else you get? You get these codes here. Now you should save this in a safe place, because this will, in case something goes wrong and I don't know, and you want to rememorize this or use another, give it to somebody else, I don't know, use another biometrics. So with this you're going to be able to use it by installing the application. So I will put this in a safe place. Now you get the instructions, and the instructions are pretty simple. They are in English. That's where you scan your phone if you want to get the application. But what I did, I just went on Google Play. This is good also for your Apple phone. And I type OK lock. So now what we're going to do now, as you see, it's working without the application. So we're going to install application to redo or recognize the biometrics. Now the application is done half in English and half in Chinese. It should be, I think, if they are in the market, the United States, should be all done in English. We'll always come out with the English version, but that's fine. We're going to use it. We're going to install it. Now, when you're going to install it, or you're going to be open applications, some people got concerned. They're going to ask, as you see there, requires a location device. So we have to allow location. Now, should file pictures and media, because you're going to be taking pictures with RQ code. RQ code, like I said, make sure you save that in a safe place if you want to redo your fingers or redo the biometrics. So we allow that. And sure, you have to take picture, because we're going to have the RQ code. So we allow. And then register. And then you wait, and it will give you a verification code. When you get the verification code, you enter, and that's it, done. Okay, so that we see my lock right over here. From here, we can scan. So here you see the scanning on the screen, or let's put it this way. So you scan, and you're going to scan the tag. So press right there, we enter the code. All right, and now this is lock, right? But as you see, this is connected. If you try to unlock it, it will not be able to do it, because it's in safe mode. Remember, that says a low power USB. So we need to touch a little bit. So now when it's connected, I can just go and click here. See, and we unlock it. But always you have to press it once. So even if you have a dozen of these things and you batch it, because you can batch these things, you still have to go and press each one to be able to unlock, because it's in a safe mode. And the batch is cool because you're going to use one biometric and then you do the rest. And then from here, what else we can do? We can share, but they share a Facebook. I don't know what you want to share in Facebook. And this, I think those are the Chinese networks. That doesn't do anything. Unauthorized user, that if you have a badge, all right? And here, you can re-register. Now, I'm going to open the value. This is another thing. The instructions are in Chinese. Even though I do not understand Chinese, I will think by just looking at the phone, I understand what it means, right? I will think, okay, do again or try again. So let's reset, confirm. Okay, so I'm going to register. See, so now register fingerprints. So tell me what to do. See, that will think I said put your finger there. This, I don't know. I do not speak Chinese, but I'm guessing that's what she's saying. So let's go back and do it. Do it once. So the thing is, put your finger there and put it back again. Okay, let's go back again. Let's go again. One more time. It's like a 5 times, I think. They want to make sure, right? Yeah, actually, you know what she says? Thank you. You successful. Register your finger. I think that's what she's saying. But I don't care, really. I don't care whatever language is it. I mean, they should be in English. Yes. If you're trying to say, you try to sell something in the English market, well, make another application. But the technology is cool, though. At least you don't need to carry a key. So now, it's fine. Let's do it again because I register my finger and it works. I tried it 100 million times. I don't know how many times I try this and it still works. And it still works. So, you know, carry in the gym, whatever, you just put it there and unlock it. I mean, do you want to unlock it to here to look cool? Yeah, let's put it here and unlock it from here. You will do that? I don't think so. Or at least not for my case. Maybe people like to cool from far away. But you still got to go and press it. You know what I mean? Now, and that will be it. It's pretty simple. It's nothing more to do. It's just a lock. You know, a lock, we can use your finger. So what happened is, you know, the software sends information and recognize and says information in the lock. Now, if you get concerned what the application is doing, then we can just go, because in reality, like I said before, when you register, you're not going to share this with anyone. You just register your finger, you're done. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to go and uninstall the application. What do you need it for? Now, if I need it again for any change in anything, well, you know what? I scan this back and we are back in business, right? So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to lock it. There's no more application there, right? You saw it. I already uninstalled it. Go back and unlock. So guys, that's the easy solution for this thing. Yeah, sure. I said again, sure, it should be done in English. Sure, the instructions, at least the English, you know, spoken English, so it'll be easy if you try to sell something in the United States market. A little lazy for the company, but I like the product. I think the product's pretty cool, and I use it for my gym all the time. I no longer have to carry a key, or I no longer have to spend 5 minutes and memorize this stupid lock going back and forth. So this will do it. So good. Thank you for my wife as a guest for my Christmas for my gym. All right, so if you guys need more information for this cool lock, biometric lock, all the info will be right below the video. Thank you.